Welcome back to my channel, the home of fascinating animal facts that will leave you amazed. Today, we're diving into the world of longest-lived animals, exploring animals that seem to live forever and others whose time runs out in just the blink of an eye. Stick around till the end, because the contrast between these creatures will truly blow your mind. Let's start with the masters of longevity, animals that live far beyond what we humans can even dream of. Ocean quahog, meet the humble clam, specifically the ocean quahog. Some of these clams have been alive for more than 500 years. Imagine a little shellfish that was already alive when Da Vinci was painting the Mona Lisa. Giant tortoise. The legendary giant tortoises, like those from the Galapagos, often live past 150 years. They stroll through life with no rush, munching on grasses, cactus pads, and leafy greens. Bowhead whale. In the icy waters of the Arctic lives the bowhead whale, known to live over 200 years. That's 2 centuries of gliding beneath the ice. Rough-eye rockfish. This fish may not look special, but the rough-eye rockfish can live 200 years or more. Hidden deep in the Pacific Ocean, it feeds on shrimp and smaller fish. Macaw parrot, colorful, loud, and bursting with personality. Macaws can live up to 80 to 100 years. That means a parrot could easily outlive its first owner and still have decades left. Their favorite treats? Nuts, seeds, and fruits. Greenland shark. Creeping silently through the deep Atlantic, the Greenland shark is one of the oldest vertebrates on Earth. Some scientists believe they can live up to 400 years. What do they eat? Almost anything, from fish to seals. Cockatoo. These feathered charmers are full of energy and wit, yet they can live past 60 to 80 years. Their favorite food? Seeds, berries, and sometimes insects. Asian elephant. Wise and majestic, Asian elephants can live up to 70 years in the wild. They love grass, fruits, and bark, and they form lifelong family bonds. Koi fish. Ever seen those graceful koi gliding in ponds? Some koi have lived past 200 years. There's even a famous koi in Japan that lived to 226. Their favorite meals? Algae, insects, and little crustaceans. African gray parrot. Known as the Einstein of the bird world, these parrots are brilliant talkers and can live up to 80 years. They thrive on nuts, seeds, and fruits. Now, animals with the shortest lifespans. Now that we've marveled at creatures that can outlive empires, let's look at the opposite side. Animals that live shockingly short lives. Their time may be fleeting, but their stories are just as fascinating. Mayfly. The mayfly is often called the one-day insect. Some species live for just 24 hours, and a few survive only minutes after emerging as adults. Their sole mission? To mate and lay eggs before time runs out. Drone ant. The drone ant has a singular purpose too. These males live only a few weeks, just long enough to find a queen, mate, and die. Their brief existence is the price of continuing the colony. Houseflies are everywhere, buzzing in our kitchens and on our food. But did you know they only live about a month? During that time, they feast on decaying matter and sugary substances, reproducing rapidly to keep their short-lived dynasty alive. Male mosquitoes. Male mosquitoes live for just about a week, feeding on nectar and flowers, unlike their female counterparts who go for blood meals. Luna moth. The Luna moth looks like a glowing piece of green silk fluttering through the night. But its beauty is heartbreakingly brief, just lives 7 days. Like the mayfly, adult Luna moths don't eat at all. Gastrotriche. Then there's the gastrotriche, a microscopic aquatic creature that thrives in marine and freshwater habitats. Despite living only 3 to 4 days, they play an essential role in breaking down organic matter. Their food of choice? Algae, bacteria, and detritus. Fruit fly. The fruit fly is famous in science labs worldwide, but in the wild they live just around 40 to 50 days. They're crazy about fermenting fruits and vegetables, making them the little party crashers of the insect world. Worker honeybees. Worker honeybees also fall into the short-lived category. They live about 6 weeks during a busy summer months. May beetle larvae. Finally meet the may beetle larvae. Their adult stage can be surprisingly short, sometimes only a few weeks, even though their larval stage underground can last years. Favorite foods include leaves and roots, but as adults they're drawn to fresh greenery. So, from immortal jellyfish and giant tortoises that can see centuries pass, to mayflies and moths whose lives end in hours. One thing is clear: longevity doesn't define importance. Each of these creatures, whether they live for days or decades, plays a vital role in the web of life. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.